I became profitable once I changed this one thing, right? This one thing that many traders, in fact, I think 95% of traders are losing, don't do this. And this is the main reason why, as you can see in the previous 30 days, I was able to net $87,000 in profits, as you can see right here on the screen. And that one thing, as stupid as it may sound, and I'll get to that in like 1 minute, once you'll hear it, you'll think to yourself, wow, it makes so much freaking sense, but it sounds so stupid that most people don't actually grab a minute to think about it. And that's, I think, the main reason why 95% of traders are failing. And that is the main reason why I am consistently making gains. And as you can see, I'll just like refresh this website. This is my main brokerage account. This is E-Trade. They don't have a demo or something like that. And as you can see, this is the previous 30 days. Now, if you don't know me, my name is seantwizer. I'm a 26 multi-millionaire. I made most of my money in the markets. I don't have anything to sell you. I have a free Discord. I have a free community. The only reason I'm doing these videos is A, because I want more attention, and B, because I want more people to actually trade the OTC, which is the exchange that I trade. And the thing is that most people don't understand, and the reason most people are not profitable is one thing. Most people don't choose their battleground. Now, let me explain. For example, Napoleon, Alexander the Great, all those warlords, right? They had one thing in common. When they went to war, they chose their battleground, right? They structured everything and they picked the place that benefits them the most. And their odds are as likely as it gets to actually win. So why aren't you doing the same thing? Think about it. When you trade the big markets, Bitcoin, you're essentially thinking to yourself that you're better than all the hedge funds that manage billions of dollars. Now, some of you might think that you're actually better. And for those people, I have one thing to say. A, you're not. B, good luck, bro. Like, to be honest, you're just going to lose all your money. Now, for the other 95% that are not retards, think to yourself, do you actually prefer to go into a boxing match with Anthony Joshua, which is the heavyweight worldweight champion, or do you actually prefer to pick your battleground and go into a boxing match with a drunk degenerate, which you can actually knock out in one punch? Now, when you don't trade a place that you have an advantage in, right, an edge, as they call it in the industry, you're essentially thinking to yourself that you're going to beat the best people in this game. And let me tell you that you're not. No ICT, no SMC, no bullshit concept or Wyckoff is going to make you money. And the reason for that is because they're all stupidly simple when you think about it. Do you actually think that all the big hedge funds can't create an algorithmic machine that will just work the other way around against the ICT concept? Do you actually think they don't have tools that puts AI and ChatGPT in the small pocket? Really, like, think to yourself. I want you to actually think to yourself. The answer to all of that, and there are several answers, is picking a market that puts you in advantage, right? That makes you have an edge. Now, currently, there are two main markets that I know of that present that opportunity. One is the one that I use, which is the OTC market. Secondly, is the Solana meme coin industry. If you actually are good over there, you can make a shit ton of money and consistently. Now, I am not big on Solana meme coins because I lack a lot of knowledge over there and I don't see the point in learning that. What I am doing is I utilize the OTC market and all the information that I have in order to make as much money as I can possibly make. And as you can see, 87 grand in 1 month, 30 days is more than most people will make in an entire year. And I'm not here to brag, I'm just here to show you it's really possible. If you put your mind into it and you actually go into details, just fucking do it. It's really simple. It doesn't take much time to learn, and you actually have an advantage if you come with the right mindset. Because let me tell you one thing, the competition here is really simple. It's like that drunk hobo that no one likes, which is drunk in the middle of the street in the middle of the day, that you can actually one punch him. That's the competition in the OTC. And that's why I actually am profitable for the past, I don't know, 5 years now. That's it. That's the only reason. Now, if you want to learn more about the OTC, you can actually follow me on Twitter. You can actually join my free Discord, yada, 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 blah, blah, blah. You can actually subscribe to this YouTube channel where I actually drop informational and educational videos once a week. And that's pretty much it. And if you gain any valuable information from this video, please smash that like button and just support the cause. I don't know. I'll see you all in the next time.